Welcome to another video. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate version 2 of our wool pads. It's a slight improvement over version 1, a little bit more aggressive, a little bit faster cutting, but with surprisingly the same finish. There are a few times when you'll want to refer to a wool pad for aggressive cutting. I like wool because it cuts very aggressively, very quickly, and keeps panel temps down. What we often find we have to do, and we have to do it with this particular paintwork here, is remove nibs, very deep or heavy scratching, or heavy oxidation. In this scenario here we have some nibs, and we're going to correct those first with 2000 grit, wet and dry, on an 8mm RO. Now the purpose of this video is not to demonstrate how sanding removes imperfections. We have another video on that, link below. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how quickly you can correct 2000 grit marring and any other imperfection that requires that level of aggressive action. Let's inspect our correction with the sandpaper. Yes, we do have the correction we were looking for, as you'd expect for 2000. 2000 is quite aggressive. So now to correct this, we're going to use our wool pad. I've decided to go with a 5-inch or 135mm wool pad, and we're going to use cap heavy. Let's check our correction here. Perfect correction. Got perfect correction. We got it fast. We've got it with very low heat. So therefore we have minimal risk. We have a very clean finish, and we use very little product. What's more is the life of this pad is very long, and the surface of the pad can be cleaned very quickly and easily. There's never a need to wash out the pads and wait for dry times. We recommend either spurring, or if you have it, any one of these air-powered tools. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Leave some comments. I'd be happy to answer them.